Welcome to Boneyard Garage. Thank you for joining my channel. Hey, I'm just gonna be a introduction. So let me give you some brief introduction of what I'm going to be doing. I got 3 projects that I'm working on. One is my 1987 McLaren Mustang, which is right here. It needs a motor. We're gonna be putting a motor in that, and a little bit bigger motor. I mean, it's bigger than stock. It's like 30. The motor is 30 over. It's gonna have an E303 cam and GT40P heads. So that's gonna be a decent build. My next project that I've been working on for a long time is my 1966 C10 Chevy, which is my pickup, which is right here, as you can see. I'm gonna be working on that one, doing a few things to that. Excuse my thumb there. And then my daily driver, which is a 2009 Chevy Silverado. We're gonna be doing some upgrades to that, and that as we progress on. Anything that comes up, I want to do to it, just some cosmetic things. And we're gonna be doing that. So with this motor, with this vehicle here, we're gonna be putting that motor in, and hopefully within a week it's gonna be up and running. My C10, we got a lot of stuff to do to that. So we already got disc brakes on it all the way around. I still got to do the brake lines. It's fuel injected. We have the digital gauges that's in it, and we also want to do a couple more things to it. I still got some more metal parts that need to be welded onto it. So I mean, that's going to be a long-standing project. Hopefully by the end of the year, that one will be up and running. Because I'll be able to get to work on that on a regular basis. Hopefully what I'm looking to do here is turn out 2 to 3 videos a week. Hopefully, with me being in the military. So, that's going to come, as right now, that's my priority of means of income. So that's going to be what I have to do. And like I said, hopefully try to turn out 2 to 3 videos a week. And as I get closer to retirement, that'll go up to 3 to 4 videos a week. And once I hit retirement, hopefully it'll be daily videos, if I have the projects to work on, which I plan to have the projects to work on. While we're working on these projects, also we'll be going to the junkyard, grabbing up some parts. Some hard to find parts, especially for my 66. And any parts I can't find, I'll have to buy. I'm not talking about no sensors or no starters or anything electrical. We're not going to the junkyard looking for stuff like that. We're going to looking for like dashboard parts or grills or stuff like that. So and anything I can't find, I will have to buy. So. But I would like to grab those parts from the junkyard and freshen them up, or I like to fabricate some parts. So we'll be trying to hand it that. I'll be doing some welding and stuff like that. I'm not a good welder. I'm a better grinder, but we're gonna be doing some welding because we got exhaust we need to put on that 66. I got headers for it already, so we want to run the exhaust all the way back. So. We got a lot of things we're going to do that's going to take some time. With all that being said, like, comment, subscribe to my channel to help my channel grow and to help my channel move forward. With all that being said, peace. We'll see you on the next video.